What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Sorry it's loud. I just wanted to show you the new HID headlight. As you can see, there's the old headlight over there, the color. So, the light is really actually not flickering. It must just be on the video. So, there's the new headlight. And yeah, it's really weird that it's doing that, but and there's the old headlight. Yeah. So there's the old. I'm just swapping it out with these right here. I'll show you how to get it out really quick. So what you're gonna want to do is come over to the side, and you can see right there, that's the headlight. I'm gonna just turn off the car because you've seen how bright it is. Really, really bright. Super, super bright. But yeah, I just wanted to put in some, brand new brights and just regular driving lights. So these are the new ones. They have a little fan built into them so they don't overheat. Here's the old one. So as you can see, that's how it locks in. It goes in and you twist, and then there's a little clip. So that's how you get it out. So I'm actually going to take the clip off first. How you do that is, if you look down there, see right here, as you can see it's moving, there's a little clip. You're going to pinch it together on both sides and pull down. So I don't know if I can hopefully try to get the camera in there, but I'm pinching both sides and pull down, and you can see there's this. So pinch that side, pinch the other side, pull down, comes out. So then to get it out, just twist, and then it should just come out just like that. So I'm gonna save these just in case. You never know when one of your headlights will burn out. If these aren't very quality and they burn out real quick, then I have the stock ones. So then you'll just take this, plug it in, make sure you're plugging it in the right way, and then the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to start my car really quick again, and then just plug it in, and then when you hear the two clips, you're good, and then just twist it in like you took it out. Just twist it. Once it locks, you're good to go. Then you have brand new headlights. So it's the same on this side as I just showed you on this side. Again, I'm going to just make sure it clips into those. I'm going to twist it right back into there. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. When I go and do the brights, I'll show you how to do that. This side will be pretty easy. This side has got a lot more stuff going on, so the brights are behind there. Pretty much the exact same concept, just a little bit more tight with space. So I hope you found this video helpful. Sorry, it's very cold out right now. Snowstorm's coming in. As you can kind of tell, it's kind of snowing. Windshield's wet, and you can kind of see the flares. Of course, I don't have a jacket on. Put some shoes on, but I'm wearing shorts. So anyways, I'm just making this quick. But yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concern, leave them at the bottom. I bought these lights off of eBay, $20. I figured $20, why not? Let's see. It's got built-in fans. These are supposed to be like super, super bright. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching 303 Streets. Have a great day, and thank you.